Hello everyone, I am Harshit Pawar from SAS Institute of Management Studies. So today my topic for movie review is Drishyam. In Drishyam, Ajay Devgan is acting as Vijay Salgaonkar with his wife and two daughters, who is living in a small town in Goa. Basically, Vijay is a self-employed person who is semi-literate, like he have only completed his education till standard 4th. So his life was going very well. He was very fond of watching movies like romantic movies, drama movies, action movies, and all those things. So his life was very going very fine until Vijay's elder daughter went to summer camp. So in summer camp, when she went, at that time, the Samir Deshmukh, the son of IG Meera Deshmukh, was also in the summer camp. So he shot some video of that girl while having shower. So after coming back to the home, Samir Deshmukh started asking her favors regarding not showing the videos to everyone. So one day Samir started forcing her, and suddenly the wife of Vijay saw this incident happening, and that girl took a rod and hit on Samir's head, so he died on the spot. So after some time, Vijay got to know all these things, and Vijay started thinking about it. Like he want to save his family. So Vijay got to know about this incident, which was happened by her daughter. So afterwards, he tried to save his family. So he buried a hole in the land, and he just put Sam into that hole. After some time, when inquiry happened and Sam's number was traced and all those things were revealed. So when investigation happened, at that time there were some hints that Sam has contacted the daughter of Vijay. So the police started investigating the case. Meanwhile, Vijay went to ashram in Panji for satsang, and after that, when he returned back, police started investigation, and police were already having some clues regarding that. So after some time, they got to know that Vijay might be in this case. So there was one policeman who was not so good with Vijay Salgaonkar. He was not liking Vijay because Vijay used to tease that police officer. So that police officer tried to show that Vijay is engaged in this case. So after some time, Meera Deshmukh, the IG of Goa, started looking on to the Vijay regarding the case, and she started to torture Vijay and his family. But Vijay was very sharp, and he trained all of his family members regarding what statement is to be given to the police. So police tried to ask them questions in a different way, so that there might be any clue or there might be a hint in that. But Vijay and his family didn't told anything of it. So Vijay Salgaonkar was very fond of watching the movies like strategies and brainstorming, finding some clues. So he was knowing all the aspects of the police. He started to hiding clues. So after some time, the case went on a higher level because the Vijay and his family were tortured very in a very intense level. So media was involved in this case after some time. So till end of the case, Vijay and his family didn't told a single word to police, and after some time the case demolished. IG Meera Deshmukh thought to leave the Goa. So just before leaving, IG Meera Deshmukh went to Vijay's house just for asking what exactly he did to his son and was the reason behind it. So at that time when she went, Vijay told him the incident. Sam shot a video on his phone while his daughter was having shower in summer camp. and he started to abuse her and taking he started asking favors for that. So by mistakenly his daughter killed Sam with a rod, and he died. So for protecting his family, Vijay did all these things. So basically, uh, this is it, and this is the review of Drishyam movie. Thank you so much for watching this review yet.